How to build a meal plan based on your weight goals. Ayan po, malaking tulong po sa mga ano po natin dito, wellness journey. So tinatawagan ko na po ang ating coach Liza Lasaw. Good morning po.
Yes, good morning, good morning, good morning everyone. A beautiful Wednesday morning. Ayan, sa topic po natin, ako po nga ang inyong coach, Liza Lasaw, magsasalita. Ano po? Si Coach po Liza Lasaw started Herbalife 2012, no po? And then doon po na ano ko na I'm actually from Bacoor, ano po, and at 66, walang maintenance ang lola nyo, na napakasarap because of the time na naintindihan ko what is the use ng proper nutrition noon sa weight loss challenge. Ano po? And using Herbalife po, nakakaroon ka ng knowledge sa ganda ng katawan mo. No po? And because kasi before, wala akong masasabing pangit sa naging trabaho ko. But yung health ko kahit pa paano hindi maganda. So sumali ako sa weight loss and natutunan ko na maganda ang nutrition sa katawan. And since I'm nearly retiring then, naintindihan ko pa rin na ito yung makakatulong sa akin, makakatulong sa iba. Ano po? And taking almost all, not almost all, every tablet ng Herbalife na gamit natin, at ang pinaka naging favorite ko po sa kanya, yung vitamins for my immunity and yung fiber band, which na-feel ko yung lightness ng katawan natin. Ano po? And ayun nga, nearly retiring employees ako, ang nag-bother sa akin noon ay ano yung gagawin mo? Ano po? So nakita ko sa Herbalife na ito pala yung makakatulong sa akin. Ano po? Not just for my body, helping people. Ano po? Hindi ka titigil kasi ng pagkilos. Kasi while working, kilos ka ng kilos. And with Herbalife, hindi ka pala titigil ng pagkilos. Ano yung pagkilos na sinasabi natin? Inviting people, talking to people, and spreading the good effect of good nutrition. Ano po? Makakatulong tayo sa kanila na maintindihan ano ba ang kailangan ng katawan sa good nutrition. Yan po, no? And so much for myself. Punta na po tayo sa ating topic. Sa next slide po. Ayan. Sabi po dito, how to build a meal plan based on your weight loss. Ano po? Kasi ang ano natin dito, kayo ba'y magtatanong minsan, ano bang pangtanghalian natin, anong pang dinner, ano po. So kailangan, para magkaroon tayo ng magandang plano sa katawan natin, kuha tayo ng meal planning. And meal planning can be a helpful tool if you're trying to lose weight. Ano po? And when done right, it can help you create the calorie deficit required for weight loss while providing your body the nutritious food it needs to function and remain healthy. And the next slide po, sabi nga ni Ms. Susan Bowerman, ayan, we've got you covered. Ano po? Meal plans daw po kasi is essential to help any healthy diet, although sometimes it can be hard to know just exactly kung paano natin ipaplano ng balanse ang kinakain natin every day. Ano po? Ayan, sabi nga niya, covered tayo. And sa next slide, ito na po, yung step 1, no po, simple steps to build a meal plan. And step 1, ang ano natin is, use our meal plan selection tool. No po, how much protein do we need? Malalaman natin. Neto po, nag-create tayo ng meal plans to help you get the daily protein and nutrients your body needs. No? Kasi po, no two people are alike. And everyone's protein and calorie needs vary. So, paano tayo makakakuha ng meal plan na tama sa atin? So, gamit itong plan selector, matutulungan tayo mag-determine on yung suggested meal plan, and your plan is designed to match your individual needs for protein and calories. Ano po? Ito rin will guide you to recommend, ayan, meron tayong meal plan A, B, and C based on your gender, weight, and height. Once you know which plan is recommended, the next step will guide you to see your suggested based on your goals. Ayan. And sa next slide po, ayan, sabi dito, follow your meal plans A, B, and C. And so each meal po has 3 options. Your daily nutrition or weight maintenance, the weight loss, and the weight gain. And sa next slide pa rin po, ayan, makikita natin ayan, yung simple steps, ano, yung weight maintenance na pagka po sinamahan natin ng exercise, mas magiging effective sa atin. Whether it be maintenance, weight loss, or weight gain. Susundin nyo lang po kung ano yung mga naandyan sa picture, magiging effective po ang ating meal plan. Ano po? Ayan, ayan. The second plan, ito po, sa next slide po, ito naman yung option within the the plan that best suits your personal goal. Ano po? Kasi meron tayo dito mga 25 grams of protein, 400 calories, or 40 grams of protein, 600 calories. No po? Meron din protein snacks tayo. Pwede din tayo makakuha ng 10 to 30 grams of protein and Herbalife Formula 1 shake. That will help us build yung ma-feeling full natin longer sa katawan natin. No po? Ayan. And sa next step po, sa step 3, ito naman po, no, sabi dito, use the meal builder tool. Kasi ang meal builder tool naman po, so simple, step-by-step approach to putting together, na po, ayan, ang healthy meals. Ano po, meals are made up of 4 foods from 5 categories, which are the protein, vegetable, healthy carbohydrates, healthy fats, and seasonings. Ano po, and then sa next slide pa rin po, makikita natin yung depende sa meal plan natin po, nakaka-create tayo ng meals that have either approximately 25 grams of protein, 400 calories, or 40 grams of protein and 600 calories. And using this meal builder plan po, you can select the exact foods you need to create your healthy, balanced meals. Okay? And there are 2 meal builder. Ano po? Yan, isa. One that incorporates meat and what that is vegetarian. Yun, choose na lang po natin kung ano yung meal builder na magtatrabaho sa atin. Ano po? And choose the column that corresponds to the meal you are going to build. Select the amounts of food that are listed in each food groups and combine items in a variety of ways to create healthy, balanced meals. Ano po? Kumbaga, tayo na rin yung gagawa kung ano ba yung tama sa calorie count natin. Gusto natin eating meal builder or the vegetarian meal builder. No po. Ayan. And on the next 3 slides po, no? Mas maganda po, screenshot natin yung next 3 slides. No po. Kasi po, meron tayong 1,500 calorie meal plan here to give you idea how to prepare them. No po. Ayan. First slide po yan. Example ng 1,500 calorie meal plan. Ano po. And if you're looking for inspiration, yan po isa sa pwede nyo gawing inspiration. Ano po. And these meal plans can call for the following. Yung breakfast po dyan, merong Herbalife Nutrition Formula 1 Shake. Ano po? As a mid-morning snack. On the next slide po, yung mid-morning snack, meron po naman tayong about 10 grams of protein and 150 calories. Ano po? Ayan. And then, sa lunch po, ayan, nasa lunch din tayo dito, meron po siyang Herbalife Nutrition and about 30 grams protein, 300 calories pa rin. Apo, sa susunod naman, mid-afternoon snack, about 10 grams of protein, 150 calories, and sa dinner, about 40 grams protein, 600 calories. Kumbaga, nawe-weigh-in nyo or nalalagay nyo yung tamang amount of calories na kakainin natin. So, nakukontrol, na po. Nakokontrol nyo sa sarili nyo, nagagawa nyo yung tama, kung ano yung dapat kong kainin ngayon, ano yung dapat kainin bukas, ano yung dapat kainin sa hapon or dinner. Ano po, with that sample ng 1,500 calories. Ano po, so di ba maganda? Ano po, and ayan, ito naman po sa susunod nating slide. Meron po tayo ditong total wellness na nakasulat. Nutrition natin is 80% nutrition and 20% workout to achieve the 100% total wellness natin. A balanced healthy carbs, a good shot of protein, and a low-fat dairy product. Ano po? And on the next slide, bibigyan ko po ng video, no, to show us reality of life. Ayan.
Every day, in every part of the world, millions of people strive to improve their wellness because they want to feel good in their own skin. Because they want to unlock the best version of themselves. Because they want to live their best life. That's why, in every part of the world, millions of people reach for their must-have shake. Their good-for-you meal replacement. Their go-to protein boost. Their feel-good fuel. There are many brands in the world, but only one brand can be number one. Is Herbalife your number one?
title niya is Herbalife.
If-
Kasi sa akin, it is the number one. Why? Napaganda niya ang tubig ko, napa-healthy niya ako, napa-energize niya ako. So with my spiritual needs na po, yung ating personal development, nade-develop mo talaga with Herbalife. And syempre, with Mother Arlene's coaching. Ano po? And ito naman, meron po silang dito, advice on achieve a healthy weight through right resources. Now, when you have the right resources, it is so much easier to achieve your weight management goals. No? Get started now and enjoy all the benefits of improving your wellness. Download our free, ano po, andito po sa baba yung kanyang link. Ano po? Download our free meals plan selector today and visit our recipe page to explore creative ways you can use Herbalife nutrition product as well as recipes for healthy meal items and snacks para po hindi na kayo maghahanap ng iba. Napaka-easy gawin at napaka-nutritious pang kainin. Ano po? Yan. And with all those tips to get you ready to start in your journey the right way, this has been your host, Coach Liza, saying thank you, thank you, thank you po sa lahat. Coach Jane, thank you.
Yan, thank you po Coach Liza sa napaka-informative topic. So, type 1 naman po to say thank you Coach Liza sa napaka-informative topic